with the gang.
All right, let's go, April. Let's go, April. Lucky to go to Gucci. They're so excited. Let's go. Hey, April. Hey, yeah. Hey. Don, I'm wearing my flip-flops. No. Okay, up. Riz. How to place April and Gucci. April and Lucky. To see how they act for one night, because we're planning to go to Hawaii from August 18 to the 29. Riz and Lucia willing to help us taking care of them, which we really greatly appreciated. Right now it is so cold, guys. Hella cold. And then you're gonna go to Gucci, play with her while Daddy and Papa heading to Hawaii. April, you excited? So we have a method to the Airbnb check-in madness.
Wait, what Airbnb is Jimmy talking about? Oh, let's go back to Hawaii.
Day before 7 p.m. we'll send them the instruction, and then they receive this instruction, and then instead of like using a generic code, we want to make the experience for the guests really easy. So what we do is we have a smart lock installed on all of our door. I know a lot of people, they have the Airbnb check-in instruction with a specific code that they set, and they would give this code to everybody, right? So the way we do it, we just change it to the last four of their phone number, so the guests can just remember their phone. Always just use it, check in, and also we know who's checking in and out for security purposes. We change those code just only for that guest for that night. So for sure, the guests, no other people can come in unless it's our Airbnb cleaner or our property manager. So that's a quick tip for the Airbnb hosting.
Pretty good. I was saying working fine at this time. I don't have too much problem with the lock.
Extra device that you connect to a power outlet,
Yes.
and it will communicate with the lock and the Wi-Fi.
Yes.
So it's an external component. When you have a lot more components, things will break easily. So the lock that we bought recently has a built-in bridge. So we don't have to connect to an outlet. We just use a battery, and it's built into the lock. So it's all in one lock system. Super convenient, super reliable. We have used it for more than a year and a half now, without any hiccup. Before,
I think it's longer than that. You know why?
Why?
Last time I sprinkled my leg.
The lock that we talk about is called Slay. Slay is really good. If you have to have an Airbnb, use Slay and don't use August lock. Just a tip. Wow. So we just got the Samsung Ring delivered. You want to do unbox?
Oh.
And this time for our Hawaii trip, we're planning to see other properties in Hawaii to see if there's any good deals out there. Because his dad wants to buy an investment property in Hawaii. So this time his dad also going. Oh, one more thing is always have a backup lockbox just in case your smart lock is dead. So we purchased the backup with the key, physical key, and we mount that lockbox close to the entrance door, and then we wrote down the code, and then we stored it in our database just in case if something happened. Someone just, who knows, our smart lock broke, we have an actual key to open the door for the guests, and we can provide that combination lock to the guests for them to open in case our lock failed. Oh, we also hire a photographer and videotape our whole building, the surrounding. Okay, we're in. Let's see what risk we have. So many. Look.
Turn on already.
No, it's off. Now it's on.
Hello.
All right, let's see.
So spicy. This is only for me, Wei.
Oh, what is that? Oh, I think it's Thai.
Curry.
Curry, yeah.
Wow.
Yellow curry?
With dumpling too. Ooh.
It's too spicy. Sorry.
No, don't worry. I'll eat it. Wow. It was fancy.
This heart is here, guys. Get out of here.
It's okay, Kuchi. It's okay.
House tour time.
Oh.
Jimmy.
Yeah. We're gonna eat so much rice. I'm over here being cameraman. Ooh, looks so good. Wow. Oh, the chives. Gucci. What did you say again?
He's so happy. I'm so excited. Looking like a boy now. Hey, NTA, where you going? NTA? Coconut water.
Oh, look at. Wow, they cook for you and I'm just tagging along. Yay! Ooh, wow, so many food.
Hey!
Just send her.
Put down. Put down. Put down. Go play with your friends.
Go play with your
I told you you're having a sleepover. You better be welcoming.
You have water in.
Wait, is this water or is this coconut?
Why you have water in? You don't want coconut water?
This is a stop. Hey! The most serious one.
Look at her face.
What?
Oh, let's get some rice. Let's get the rice first and then. No.
You just don't. I thought it was gonna be for our soup. Well, it could be both.
Could be both. Yeah.
Oh, this soup?
The gyudon.
Oh, wow.
It looks good though.
That's especially for you.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's spicy.